Get ready with me for school. Y'all, I'm so tired. Let's use my cleanser. And I wipe with this. Let's use my Laneige toner because it's the closest to me. Right now, it's 7:33 a.m. Next, we go with the Drunk Elephant Moisturizer. Y'all, I have to be fast because my school starts at 8 something. I don't know. And I take a long time to get ready. Oh shoot, I didn't brush my teeth. Wait. I'm gonna go with my His Smiley toothbrush and then this thingy, toothpaste. Cheers! All done brushing my teeth. Now I have to do like my sunscreen. Also, I have to go change and right now it's 7:37. Let's go. I have no idea what to wear. But first, I have to wear my school uniform. I'm gonna wear my school uniform gray shirt. I'm gonna wear this gray pants. Today I'm feeling more like cozy vibe, not like dressed up vibe. But let's change. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I just wore everything, so I'll give you guys a fit check. Okay, so this is my school uniform, and this is gray pants. And my pink slippers. Let's wear these socks. Done. Now I have to brush my hair. Done. Sunscreen. Now I'm gonna eat breakfast. That's it. Bye. Bye.